In terms of schools, people complying with the government of the day, the government that is responsible for the territory of the Republic of Kenya is headed by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. And all schools have complied with whatever is required, except one school, which for the time being I shall not mention. And I think I'm going to give them up to the end of today to desist from thinking that they are a special breed of people, where they have already engaged their own kindergarten, standard 1, 2, and 3 in school, when government has not pronounced itself on this. If by the end of today they do not conform to what government has instructed them to do, then we shall name them and we shall shame them. The issue of COVID, I want to say that COVID has rattled even the doctors like myself, and nobody can say what is going to happen next except what we are seeing. And for now, we are seeing the disease raging. One senior procurement manager at the Kenya National Examination Council succumbed to neck. She was not old, she was not unhealthy. So COVID is actually real, and let us hope that we change our culture of impunity against ourselves. And for that reason, we have decided as government for now that those students who are in school, like you have seen them, they should continue to be in school. Because life must continue as long as we obey the protocols that are given, which unfortunately most of us are not obeying.